Money struggles? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down 7 of the most common money pain points that people face and the steps that you can take to overcome them. So, let's face it, financial struggles can happen to anyone, whether you're just starting out or you're raising a family or even if you're nearing retirement. But the good news is that there are solutions. So, here's money struggle number 1, high credit cards. People think that credit cards can be helpful, but let's be real. If you're carrying a balance, those high interest rates can turn everyday purchases into long-term debt. The average American household owes more than $6,500 on credit cards right now. So the fix? Tackle debt with a plan and knock it out. There are 2 schools of thought to getting rid of debt. The snowball method. This method means that you're paying off the smallest balance first, or you can try the avalanche method, which pays off the highest interest rates first in order to save money over time. But I know the avalanche method sounds logical, but if you take a look at Dave Ramsey's baby steps to getting out of debt, which are simple and proven and step by step, he'll explain in great detail why the snowball method works best because of small debts. When you pay those off, those are wins and it builds momentum so that you're not going to fizzle out and not finish. Money struggle number 2, having no emergency fund. You guys, without an emergency fund, one car repair or one medical bill can just knock you completely off track. So the solution is just start small. Build that $1,000 emergency fund as quickly as possible. And then after that debt is paid off or any of your other debts, then go ahead and build a 3 to 6 months emergency fund. That safety net will give you less stress when life throws you those surprises. Money struggle number 3, spending more than you earn. Grabbing that cup of coffee here or lunch there, it doesn't feel like much, but $40 a week of eating out, it adds up to over $2,000 a year. And the problem is that those little splurges often sneak up on you. And before you know it, you're living paycheck to paycheck or using credit cards to fill in the gap. There are 2 solutions for this one. So cut your overspending by cutting up those credit cards so that you can regain control over your life and stop spending your paycheck on repaying back debt. Imagine not having any portion of your paycheck going back to debt. I mean, if you can seriously imagine your life without any debt, what does that even look like to you? Do you need more motivation? Then remember this proverb: borrower is slave to the lender. That's Proverbs 22:7. Okay, the second rule to stop spending more than you earn is, you guys, you need to download a free budgeting app so that you can start spending your money intentionally. Think of it as a roadmap, not a punishment. A budget helps you spend with intention and make adjustments and put more towards your financial goals. The budgeting app that I like is the Every Dollar app. Money struggle number 4, facing foreclosure on your home. I mean, losing your home is one of the hardest financial struggles that anyone can face, and it often comes after a job loss or medical bills or buying more house than you can actually afford. The solution for this, if you're in this position, then call your lender. Talk about refinancing or loan modifications or even downsizing early so that you can save before things start to spiral out of control. Money struggle number 5 are those student loans, you guys. Student loans just feel like a lifetime burden, and the average borrower owes nearly $38,000, and that's enough to delay home buying or starting a family or even saving for retirement. So the solution, don't ignore those student loans, you guys, but explore other options like repayment or refinancing or even loan forgiveness programs to see if you qualify. So the key is just make a plan and stick with it. Money struggle number 6, not saving for retirement. Here's the tough stat, you guys. 20% of adults over 50 have a zero retirement in their savings account. So it's never too late to start, though. The solution, just even small contributions, they're going to grow over time thanks to compound interest. If your job offers a 401k match, then grab it. That's free money. If not, then start an IRA account and just get the ball rolling. Money struggle number 7 is income. The biggest way to fix your money problem, besides spending less than you make, is just bringing in more income. If you really want to get things back on track quickly, then you need to get a side hustle. I mean, we all know that our income is actually our biggest wealth building tool. So whether you're looking into being an Uber driver or maybe tutor.com or working online as a virtual assistant or getting up and running with digital marketing, then find out just what appeals to you so that you can boost that cash flow and stop worrying about money just once and for all. So whether it's that credit card debt or those student loans, or you're just overspending, you guys remember that financial struggles don't define you, right? They're just challenges, and challenges have solutions. So let me know in the comments, what actual financial struggles are you facing, or what have you done to overcome one of them? You guys, I love to hear what you have to say in the comments. If this video helped you, then give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making more videos like this. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.